In this demo, we'll look at how CoexLinks offers flexibility with your email coexistence between IBM Lotus Domino and Microsoft Exchange Outlook and Google's Gmail. First, we'll look at an approval email, which is a common kind of email to have doc links. These doc links need to continue to be functional once the mail is sent onto Outlook in this case. We'll start by looking at how we configure this, which is that in the Notes Ini file, we will make some changes so that these doc links will be converted properly. First, we add the extension manager, Coex, which is the CoexLinks, and then we set the Coex doc link type to 2, which is NDL attachments, which is what we recommend for Outlook. We have a disclaimer there as well. In your log file, or on your server, you'll see a CoexLinks copyright message. That lets you know that it is loaded, and any error messages if it is not. So we're going to send that email. Here it is in Outlook, and you'll notice that there are hotspots and there are files. Those hotspots will simply launch the appropriately named file. So link 1 will launch the link1.ndl file, open up Lotus Notes, and go to the appropriate document where we could approve or reject the request. Back in here there are other links, and each one will be link 1, link 2, link 3, so you can tell which one goes with which NDL and launch it directly from the link. We go to another, we open up a different Notes document. Now, not all the links are converted to NDL attachments because we've set up a specific map by replica so that we'll send a web URL with this HR link. You can see that there. When you open it up, it'll open up in a browser window. This allows you to do selective migration of applications to the web so that you can gradually migrate applications away from the Notes client if you would like to. Now we're going to send that same email to Gmail. When we open it up, we'll see a similar look. The NDL attachments are at the bottom in this case because that's where Gmail puts them. And again, the link 1, link 2, and the HR hyperlink, which in this case will open up in just a tab next to it because you're already in a browser. Now, if we want to change this to use Notes URLs, all we have to do is change the Coex doc link type to 8, and we'll change that disclaimer text. The disclaimer text is optional, but it helps us to know right now that we have manipulated the file using CoexLinks. So if we go and we restart the server now, we'll see that CoexLinks copyright message at the top. Now we can go back and we can go into the Outlook Notes URL. Same doc links, same everything, but we're going to send it now, and it will, instead of converting to NDL attachments, it will convert to Notes URL links. We don't recommend this for Outlook, and you'll see why in a moment. So now you'll notice there are no attachments at the top, and all the links just say link, which looks similar to what the native functionality is, but here's the problem. When you click on that request link, you're going to get this potential security concern. And when you say yes, it'll go through, but it's a really annoying thing after a while because it'll happen every time you click on a link. Okay, now let's send that same email to Gmail. And so we'll see the Notes URL links to our Gmail client. And we open up, we'll see the links, so we can follow those, and again, they'll open up Notes client. We can go back and we can follow the URL link, open it in a browser. So whether you use Gmail or whether you use Outlook, you'll be set with your links.